Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with ESET step by step clearly. To connect with ESET, start by opening your web browser. Type in the ESET website URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, navigate to the support section. Look for the Contact Us option within the support menu. Click on it to view the different ways to reach ESET. You will see options for phone support, live chat, and email support. Choose the option that suits you best for communication. If you opt for phone support, find the appropriate contact number for your region. Make sure to have your product details ready before calling. For live chat, click on the chat icon often found at the bottom corner of the page. A representative will assist you in real time. If you prefer email, locate the email address provided. Write a detailed message outlining your query or issue. Include your contact information for a timely response. After submitting your inquiry, keep an eye on your inbox for a reply. For further assistance, check the FAQs section on the website. This area often has answers to common questions. You can also explore community forums for additional support. Once connected, ESET will provide the necessary help for your needs. Make a note of any support ticket number for future reference. Stay patient while awaiting their response. Follow any given instructions carefully for a smooth resolution. Engaging with ESET is straightforward when you follow these steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.